Hi folks, Rick Mathis, owner and clinic director of Align Pain Solutions. Are you an athlete? Do you engage in a sport in some capacity? Whether you're a weekend warrior, a serious amateur, or a professional athlete, what would you say if I told you we can help you get better at your sport and reduce your risk of injury in just 5 to 10 minutes? It's true. The secret to gaining a competitive advantage in your sport is posture therapy. Now, how does that work? I want you to understand a few simple truths. First, your body is designed to be in a certain position, what we call the posture blueprint. Notice the left and right sides of this image are symmetrical. The feet and knees point straight. Hips and shoulders are level. Weight is evenly distributed left versus right. Now look in the mirror. Do you look like this? Probably not. When a joint is in its proper position, it now has the potential to work properly. If it's out of that position, the potential vanishes. Now the joint is working inefficiently to do what you're asking it to do. That is both a power leak and an increased risk of injury. If you want to perform at your best and reduce your risk of injury, you need to take your posture seriously. So how does posture therapy help? At Align Pain Solutions, we assess our clients posturally. What position does their body want to be in? That gives us clues about what the body does and doesn't do well. We then take the client through different movement tests to confirm what their body is struggling to do well. We'll then take them through a routine of corrective exercises designed for their unique postural and functional issues. As we ask muscles that aren't doing their jobs to come back online, that allows the muscles that have gotten tight from doing work they're not supposed to do to begin to release. This process allows our joints to return to design, their normal functional position. And in that position, they can best do what the athlete is asking them to do. The more aligned your body is, the better it's going to perform and the less likely it is to get injured. That's true whether you make a living playing your sport or if it's just a fun hobby that you enjoy. If you want to get to the next level of your sport, give us a call or send us an email. We'll answer all your questions and tell you about your options for getting your body back into the position where you can perform at your best.